Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Rowifi Discord bot. First, you will need to invite the bot to your Discord server. Navigate to the official Rowifi website or a reliable bot listing site to locate the invite link. Click on this link, then choose your server from the provided list. Ensure you grant all the required permissions for the bot to function correctly. This initial step is crucial for integrating Rowifi into your community. Once Rowifi is in your server, it's time for some basic configuration. Head over to your server settings and adjust Rowifi's role permissions. Make sure it has the necessary access to manage roles and send messages. Next, consider setting a custom prefix for the bot. This helps prevent command clashes with other bots. Finally, designate a specific channel for verification, making the process clear for your members. Now, let's get to linking Roblox accounts. Members should go to your designated verification channel and type the verification command, typically verify. The bot will then provide a unique 6-digit code. Instruct your members to copy this code and paste it into their Roblox profile description. Once the code is updated on Roblox, the bot will automatically detect it and link their accounts, usually within 30 seconds. With accounts linked, you can now fully utilize Rowifi's powerful features. Set up automatic role assignments, granting specific Discord roles based on a member's Roblox group membership or asset ownership. You can also configure verification requirements, such as a minimum Roblox account age of 30 days or a specific group rank. Explore advanced features like monitoring group walls for new posts or tracking game activity to enhance your community's experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.